to my channel. In today's video we're going to look into the next NFO video. So this NFO is from IDBI Mutual Fund. So the fund is a sector based fund which is on the healthcare sector. So it is IDBI HealthCare Fund. So this is an open-ended equity scheme investing in healthcare and allied sectors. So its NFO is going to start from 8th of February and will be closing on 22nd of February 2019. And the scheme will reopen for continuous purchase or sale from or within 5 business days from the date of allotment. So who should invest in IDBI HealthCare Fund? So investors looking for the benefits from growth opportunities available in healthcare and allied sectors. Investors looking to invest in equity sectorial theme which predominantly invests in companies engaged in healthcare and allied sectors. Investors with a long-term investment horizon, that is minimum of 3 years and above. And regular investors willing to have a tactical allocation to their overall equity portfolio. So a person who wants to specifically invest in any healthcare or allied sector stocks can choose this fund, and someone who has a minimum of 3 and above years of investment horizon can look into this fund. And we'll look into the investment strategy of this fund. It goes like stock selection, research, risk mitigations, and investment process. So in the stock selection, qualitative factors and quantitative factors are noted here. So qualitative factors are good corporate governance, sound technical expertise, history of execution, efficiency in operation. And in quantitative factors, companies showing sustainable growth and improvement in margins, cash flow generation or deployment capabilities, or low manageable debt component. And next comes the research, extensive sector and company research, use of bottom-up approach of research for stock selection. The third strategy is risk mitigation, so active management based on healthcare and allied sectors outlook, stock selection across all market capitalization. So this fund will be investing in healthcare related stocks in all the sectors like small cap, mid cap and large cap sectors. Investment process is blend of quality, value and growth stocks. So investment decision based on logical and disciplined investment process. So these are the strategy of this fund. So we'll look into the scheme features of this fund. So this is a sector based open-ended equity scheme investing in healthcare and allied sectors. So its benchmark is S&P BSE Healthcare. The fund manager is Ms. Uma Venkatraman. So the plans are like it is available in regular and direct plan, and it is it offers growth option and dividend option. And dividend option offers facility for payout reinvestment sweep of dividend. So minimum application amount is 5,000 rupees. Minimum additional amount is 1,000 rupees. The exit load, so there's no entry load, but for exit load, as like other funds itself, so in units of the scheme are redeemed, repurchased, switched out or transfer or SWP within 12 months from the date of allotment, 1% is chargeable. And coming to the SIP, so monthly option, minimum 500 rupees per month for a minimum period of 12 months or a minimum 1000 rupees per month for a minimum period of 6 months. And the quarterly option is minimum 1500 rupees per quarter and for minimum 4 quarters. Now we'll look into the asset allocation of this scheme. So equity and equity related instruments of companies engaged in healthcare and allied sector, the asset allocation is from 80% to 100%. The risk profile is high here. And 0 to 20% in equity and equity related instruments of companies engaged in other than healthcare and allied sectors. So 80 to 100% will be invested in healthcare and allied sector stocks. 0 to 20% will be invested in stocks other than healthcare and allied sectors. The risk profile is high here. 0 to 20% in debt and money market instruments, including mutual fund liquid schemes. So the risk profile is low to medium here. And 0 to 10% in units issued by real estate investment trusts, that is REITs, and infrastructure investment trust. So the risk profile is medium to high here. The riskometer is high, and an investor who is seeking long-term capital appreciation and investment predominantly in equity and equity related instruments of companies engaged in healthcare and allied sector. So this is the details of the fund, which is going to start from Feb 8th. So if at all you all want to invest in this fund, you all can go ahead to start investing in it from Feb 8th, or you all can wait till it reopens for its repurchase, or you all can wait till the portfolio is released and then start investing in this fund. And I wanted to tell you all one thing is that if at all you all are new to investing in mutual fund, I would suggest you all, or my personal suggestion is that not to invest in a sector based if it is the only fund which you are investing in. So you all have invested in other mutual funds, other funds or schemes like small cap or mid cap or any other fund, and you all are adding this as an extra investment, then you all can check out the portfolio and then go ahead with this fund. But if this is the only sole investment, not only healthcare, I'm telling it in all sector based funds, if at all you are investing for the first time, you all don't have any other investment, then please don't go ahead with a sector based fund. Instead choose for other funds which are performing good. So as I always say, investment in stock market and mutual fund should be for a long term, so a minimum of 5 years, so that we can yield good returns in the long run. So as I always say, start thinking and happy investing. Thank you for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified as we upload a new video. All the information provided in this channel is only for general guidance and educational purpose. Don't consider this as a recommendation from our side. Please do your own research or seek a financial advisor prior to investing. You can follow us even on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you.